Now I'm going to quickly run through what's inside the 4 bottles that are inside your Ultimate Herbal Detox Pack and what each of them does. Basically there's 480 capsules broken down into 4 different products, 120 capsules each with a specific purpose. So let me explain. First of all, let's talk about Colon Aid, which is for your colon. Not only does it stimulate the bowel movements and cleanse the colon, but it also helps to eliminate anything negative that might be in the colon. So we've got herbs like psyllium husk and slippery elm and cascara bark and Turkish rhubarb, which help to cleanse the colon. But we've also got in there black walnut and cloves and wormwood, which are herbs for knocking parasites or candida or anything negative, bad bacteria and that kind of thing in your colon. Next we've got Digestive. And Digestive is for soothing and calming and relaxing the digestive system and improving digestion while you're doing your cleanse is a very good thing to do. So in the Digestive we've got fennel, we've got peppermint, we've got ginger, cayenne, so they all help with digestion. But also in there we've got some digestive enzymes called papain and bromelain, which are from pineapple and papaya. So they really help to soothe and reduce any inflammation while your body is cleansing. Very, very helpful. The next product we've got is called Liver Food, which is for protecting and stimulating your liver during your cleanse. So this has got golden seal, milk thistle, Turkish rhubarb and barley grass, all of which are fantastic liver stimulants and liver protectors. We've also got in this product herbs cilantro and chlorella, which are for heavy metal detox. So that gets things like mercury and lead and arsenic and cadmium out of the body. Heavy metals which we pick up environmentally. And last but not least, we've got Simlax, which is a bulking fibre, but it's also a prebiotic. So it's a combination of fibre blend which helps your body to bulk the bowel movements, increase elimination, but also promote healthy bacteria in the colon. And these herbs help reduce cholesterol as well. So we've got psyllium husk, slippery elm, chia seeds and aloe vera, all fantastic herbal products for your bowel health. So there you go, there's the 24 herbs that are inside the pack, all broken down into those 4 different products that work together in synergy to help give your body an excellent detox program. I hope that's been helpful.